Assalamualaikum and a good day to everyone. Today our group, which is group 5 from FB1 tutorial group, will be presenting about augmented reality and virtual reality. These are two exciting technologies that are changing the way we interact with the digital world. Consisting of me, Muhammad Ashraf Hakimi bin Muhammad Basri, Muhammad Adib Hilmi bin Muzdi, and finally Nur Farah Husna binti Ahmed Zulfakur. Our presentation, first we will introduce and define augmented reality and virtual reality. Next, we will talk about their importance in today's world. Finally, we will highlight the key differences between AR and VR. Firstly, we're going to start with introduction and definition. And so, augmented reality or AR modifies the real world by overlaying or combining digital information with the real world environments. This is demonstrated by the video showing in the presentation. This means AR adds digital objects, images, or text on top of what we already see in real life, usually through smartphones, tablets, or special glasses. So, for virtual reality or VR is a computer-generated simulation that immerses users in a
طب انزل
completely
انزل
digital 3D
يا
environment,
ابني روح
usually
تحت
done
انزل
by wearing VR headsets in engine or the video.
روح
It
تحت
blocks out
انجز
the real world and
انجز
replaces with a fully virtual one. This just demonstrates the immersion virtual reality may offer of AR and VR. So, for augmented reality, the importance lies in providing users with a heightened and more interactive experience. AR adds to the user's enjoyment, helps in learning, and from a business perspective, it can boost brand awareness and improve customer engagement. For virtual reality, the importance comes from its ability to create immersive learning environments. VR allows users to practice tasks, gain new skills, and experience situations without facing real-world risk. There are key differences between VR and AR. So on this table, this is demonstrated. Although both AR and VR involve digital experiences, they are quite different. VR creates a fully immersive digital world that isolates users from reality, requiring headsets and powerful hardware. AR, on the other hand, overlays digital information on top of the real world, usually through smartphones or tablets. In short, VR replaces reality, while AR enhances it.
Let us continue with the applications of AR and VR in different fields. In education, AR can make textbooks interactive. Students can scan QR codes to get 3D models and help them understand complex concepts better. And with VR, students can enter a digital laboratory and conduct experiments safely without worrying about accidents. Next is tourism. AR is used in museums so that visitors can see extra info, animations, or even 3D reconstructions of an exhibit. Meanwhile, VR takes it even further because you can take a tour around the world and explore famous places like Tokyo or Paris without leaving your house. for entertainment, the most famous example of AR would be Pokemon Go, where digital creatures appear in real world through your phone camera. And VR is pretty huge in gaming, with gaming headsets that can transport players into a 360 world. Lastly, we have healthcare. With AR, surgeons project patient scans like X-rays onto the body during surgery to provide better guidance. And with VR, it lets medical students practice complex procedures over and over again without risking real patients.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I'm going to take over for pros and cons and future. My name is Adib, by the way. So, pros of VR. Immersive experience provides a fully stimulating environment, and it's also good for users that like gaming, training, and therapy. Um, Next up is training and simulations, useful for medical, military, and aviation training without real risk. Plus, it can act as a platform for students to train their skills for upcoming career. So the nearest example I can take is Kidzania. So Kidzania has developed a VR technology for kids who want to pursue some career. So they can use VR technology without VR technology to know about their career further. Next is remote collaborations. It allows virtual meeting and shared 3D workplace for everyone around the world. For example, using VR chat. So VR chat is a common thing in our generations. We often see our favorite creator play it. Next is pros of AR. It has hands-free work assistance. AR devices such as smart glasses can provide instructions or data without interrupting workflows. In fields like healthcare, it makes the person achieve full potential during work. Next is navigation and wayfinding. Apps such as Google Maps can enhance navigation, making it easier to understand directions in real-time environment. So we move on to cons of VR and AR. I combine VR and AR for cons because it has really similar. So first is high development costs. Malaysia's economy is at stake, ensuring high risk of taxes to create high quality applications that require advanced technology. Health and safety risks. Prolonged VR use can lead to eye strain, motion sickness, and distraction during driving or walking. This can make users unable to concentrate while doing daily activities. Limited hardware availability. Advanced VR and AR experiences often need expensive or bulky equipment, which limits accessibility. They are harder to get. Last but not least, dependence on technology. Over-reliance on VR and AR could reduce physical interactions and increase screen dependency, especially among youth. So, in conclusions, virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR are powerful technologies that can transform the way we experience the digital and physical world. While VR creates a fully immersive environment, AR enhances real-life surroundings with digital elements. Both offer vast opportunities in education, healthcare, and entertainment, and also industry. Despite challenges such as cost and accessibility, their rapid development shows great potential to shape the future of human interactions and innovation. I think that's all from us Group 5. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.